Isang linggo ng hakot-hakot ng watermelon guys. Ayan sila guys, yung mga driver. Dito yung sa akin malak-malakaw yan guys. Ito yung mga watermelon na hakutin rin guys. Yan guys, yan dami yan guys. Dami watermelon guys. Yan. Ayan guys, sobrang dami guys. Ayan guys, lawak po ito guys. Dami dun, unahan, yan 6 na hektarya ito guys. Sweet 16, ito yung natawag na Sweet 16 guys. Guys, yan, aray, ito yung bagong kalabaw ko. Yan guys, ayun sila Boss Butsukoy. Boss Butsukoy, drive. Guys, sila guys. Yan, si Boss Butsukoy yung maniho guys. Yan, oh guys, up. Yan, karga ng milon guys. Yan, si Boss Butsukoy yung maniho guys. Guys, bye.